Hi, I'm Gordon Jones, President of the College of Western Idaho. I want to welcome you to our campus today for this day of focusing on your future. This is a really special time in life. As a high school student, you're thinking about what's next. For some of you, if not many of you, that's going to be college or higher education. But there's still so many choices. And I think today is such an investment in your future. And I want to commend you all for taking the time out of your busy schedule to take a moment and think about what's next. I know that today in this journey, you're going to learn a lot, hopefully about yourself, about choices, and really about what's available to you. For some of you, that could be looking at one of our four-year universities. For some of you, you may learn about jobs you want to pursue and ways in which higher education can be a part of that. For all of you, I hope you learn more about the College of Western Idaho. We're over 30,000 students. We're highly affordable, and we focus on ways in which you can end up really in a low-cost way, a junior in college, or with jobs that pay $50,000 to $100,000 or more as you launch your career. In either case, use today for what it is, a chance to focus on your future. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish you the best, and I can't thank you enough for investing in yourself and learning more about what's available. Have a great day.